I'm celebrating World Watercolor Month with a new video every day in July.
When I first started painting, I felt very hostile toward abstract painting because I felt like, how was I'm supposed to read this artist's mind? What are they trying to say? What are they telling me? And when I started doing a little more abstract painting myself and talking about my process, I realized that what is actually happening is an abstract painter isn't trying to tell you something most of the time. I can't speak for all abstract, but most of the time, rather, they're starting a conversation and it's relational. They're offering something, but they're also asking for something back. What do you think? And when I started to think about abstract painting as maybe I have an interesting question that I'm exploring, and most of my painting is founded on interesting questions. What's going to happen? Let's find out. And that's really at the heart of what I'm doing is what is this, where is this painting going to go? What's going to happen? How do we find out? We find out by painting. And when I think about abstracting my subject as asking good questions, it means that I don't have to put myself under the burden of having to find the answer. I don't get to know that this is the best way to paint this subject. So maybe I'm never done painting that subject. Maybe that's what's happening there. Maybe I'm just painting it over and over again because I'm still interested in it. I'm still wondering about what I could do with it. So it's an ongoing kind of exploration. And there's never a definitive answer. In fact, I've stopped saying, this is the best version, this is my second favorite version. Do you pick a favorite child?
Yes.
I knew you were going to say yes to that.
Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with more watercolor advice you can learn from. Don't forget to include the hashtag World Watercolor Month when you participate and post watercolor art in July.